Alright, hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. It's your girl Fame here. Before I start, I want to make sure I tell y'all to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel if you like this content for more. So I'm starting off with my Juvia's Place eye primer in the shade 1. I'm going ahead and putting that all over my eyes. And today I'm just doing a simple, quick look. I'm just doing a full face of makeup. I'm using an old MAC palette. I do collect palettes. I'm using a MAC Selena palette. I've had this for a while. It came out years ago. It has some pretty colors in it. So I'm starting off by going in my crease and going to use this brown shade that's to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on and just blend that out. And I'm using a MAC 217 brush to do this. This is definitely one of my favorite brushes. I'm always using this brush for my eyeshadow. I don't use anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and put that color on and blend it out. And next I'm going to move on to the darker shade. I'm going to go into the dark brown color that's to the lower left of this palette. It is called Live in Concert. And I'm going to take that color and I'm going to put it into my outer corner. And I'm going to just go ahead and get that blended out. And I'm using a MAC 221 brush. This is a favorite brush of mine to use on my outer corner. I love this brush. It's made from animal hairs. It is one of the older brushes that came out before they changed up their line to being cruelty-free. But I still love my original brushes. And then next I'm going to go in with a medium brown shade, which is called Los Dinos. And it's this is a matte color, and it's medium brown, and I'm going to just blend out those two colors I put there previously, and I'm going to just go up closer to my brow bone and blend out. Now I'm going in with a light shade to highlight my brow bone and blend these colors. And this is a lighter, like a light, very light brown to almost beigey color. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. And now I'm just going to go back in and just define those colors that I put in, blend in a little more of the medium brown, and make that dark brown pop a little more in my outer corner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm just using the same brushes that I previously used. Now I'm going to use a 242 brush by MAC, and I'm spraying setting spray on it. I'm using one of the Dazzle shadows. This color is like a bronzy rose color, like it's the Dazzle. It's really, really pretty. It's a Texas thing. So I'm going to put that in my inner corner and on my lid and just blend that into the dark brown that I already had there. And here's what my eyes are looking like now. As I said, just a nice, simple, everyday look. Just a nice little smoky eye. Now I'm using a MAC Oval 6 brush to do my foundation. And I'm using a MAC Studio Fix foundation as well. I am a MAC girl. I love my MAC products. Y'all give me some ideas on new products to try, because I am really stuck on my MAC products. So now I'm using the MAC MINERALIZE Skin Finish with the MAC 150 brush. And I'm just putting that powder all over my face just to, that's the finishing powder I'm using. And now I'm going ahead with some highlighter. I'm still using the Glow Kit from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I love it. And I am using a MAC 129 brush to do that. I'm highlighting my nose and my brow bone with the same highlighter. And I'm using a MAC 234 brush for that. So here's what I'm looking like now. I'm going to add some falsies. I'm going to do my eyes. And, I'm not going to do these lashes on camera. I was trying, but I was struggling. So we're moving on to the eyes. Finish it up. I'm putting some liner on. I'm using the MAC Graphblack liner. And I'm using now a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm using the medium browns just to blend out that. And now I'm going in with the MAC Plum lip liner. This is my favorite liner. I love this color. This combo is one of my favorite combos. I'm using the Lady Be Good. It's a matte lipstick, one of their liquid lipsticks, and here is my finished look. I hope you all like this video. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see y'all on the next one.